Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Pentair GloBrite for swimming pool 50-foot quart. When you install Pentair GloBrite shallow water LED lighting in a poolscape, poolside evenings go from great to spectacular. Pentair GloBrite lights are the creative, cost-effective way to showcase and enhance pool features like baja shelves, steps, beach entries, and other shallow water features. The perfect complement to IntelliBrite 5G LED pool lighting for dynamic, synchronized colored light shows. Make your pool more exciting, convenient, and more fun. Compatible with IntelliTouch and EasyTouch control systems. Can be used with an optional IntelliBrite controller. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.